In this lesson, we'll learn how to create some ellipses. Now, creating an ellipse is as easy as creating a circle, with the exception of ellipse having two radiuses, which one of those are along the major axis and the other one is along the minor axis, which is called the minor radius and the major radius here. And we have a couple of ways to create some ellipses. What are the way are the center mode that we're going to use that right now, and I'm going to pan a little more and see how to create two ellipses based on these two ellipses that I've created before. And I'm going to specify the center of ellipse first, as the AutoCAD asks us to do that. But before that, I'm going to turn on my ortho mode. I'm going to specify that right now, and we have to first, in this case, specify the major radius here. Now, we know the major diameter, which is 24, so the major radius must be 12 inches. Enter. And the minor radius, which is a minor diameter, is 14, so the minor radius must be 7. Enter. So we pan a little more, and I'm going to launch the axis in motor to creating the ellipse. And I'm going to, in this mode, AutoCAD is going to ask us to specify the major axis first, and then give the minor radius. So we're going to specify the major axis right here, and as you see, the major axis is 15 inches, so I'll type 15, enter. And the minor axis is 8, or the minor diameter is 8 inches, so the minor radius must be 4, enter. So now we know how to create some ellipses. Now then, let's use this on some practical example. Now this is a floor plan for a single family home, and I'd like to zoom on this master bath area and zoom on this area, and we want this master bath to have two basins. So we're going to have to create two ellipses and one circles. Now, before that, I have to specify the center point of one of these ellipses. I'm going to do that by drawing some sketch lines. I'm going to draw my line command, draw a line here, and I press my escape button here, and I'm going to launch the center move of the ellipse command. I'm going to specify the center point, and I'm going to give it a radius. Now the bigger one here as a major diameter of 20, so it must be 10. I enter 10 and enter. The minor diameter here is 16. We must enter 8 for our minor radius and enter. Now we better delete this sketch line first. I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna relaunch my ellipse here, and from here I'm going to specify the center, and from there I'm going to specify the major radius here, which is 16, and it's going to be 8. Enter. And the minor radius, the minor diameter is 12, so it's going to be 6. Enter. And we have to now create a drain here, and I'll do that by launching the circle and getting some help from my temporary tracking point, TK, enter. And I'm going to first center. It's 4 down from the, it's 4 inches down from the center of these ellipses. So I'll type 4 and enter. And from here, I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press the radius of 1 and enter. Now we're done with the ellipses. And as you see, drawing an ellipse is easy. The only thing you need to understand is the major and minor axis.